I'm Ken Woodruff, and I'm the Industry Director for Healthcare for Lexmark's Imaging and Solutions Division. Organizations, especially in healthcare, are finding out that in order to really take the full pain associated with paper out of the process, it has to be proactively managed. And the reason we know that is because we provide managed print services in dozens of stage 7 hospitals. There's only 160 of those as of current count in the U.S. today. And I think people had this belief that as we achieve stage 7, we're going to start to get rid of this expense associated with paper and so forth, and we're going to see the pain associated with paper go away. And that's not the case. There's still, well, there's certainly a lot of improvement. They're changing the role of paper, but our metrics show that the average stage 7 hospital is printing just as much, in fact even more than the average hospital, and that's a huge expense. And so one of the focuses of managed print services is helping to gain visibility and control over the environment so you can eliminate the unnecessary printing. And that could be a huge expense. We did a study across 4 of these stage 7 hospitals, and we found that these 4 hospitals combined were printing 85 million pages a year on an annual basis, about over 1,300 pages per user per month, and that translates into a cost of between $3 and $4 million a year. And so managed print services is enabling them to gain visibility and control over that environment and get rid of the unnecessary printing and weed it out. I think the more interesting opportunity, though, is the convergence of electronic content management, or I should say enterprise content management, and managed services and MPS, and identifying those remaining bottlenecks and processes where we can leverage that visibility control, knowing where the paper-based processes are still generating inefficiencies, and bring the content management and workflow to bear to streamline those processes.